Is your home suitable for solar? Find out with Sun Number Score. Sun Number Score is a rating that tells you how suitable your home is for solar energy. This score considers several important factors to assess your home's solar potential. In this video, we'll help you determine if your home is suitable for solar with the help of Sun Number Score. Location: if your rooftop is facing south or southwest, then the solar production will be at peak. Roof orientation: the optimal angle for the rooftop is 35 degrees. Shading should be minimum for maximum power production. The scale typically ranges from 0 to 100. If you have a high score, it means your home receives plenty of sunlight, making it an excellent candidate for solar panels. Usually, a Sun Number Score of 70 or above is the best. Tips to improve your Sun Number Score: trim trees or remove obstacles that cast shade on your roof. Optimize your roof's orientation if possible. Consider solar panel efficiency improvements like tracking systems. This can help in making a more informed decision when considering solar panel installation for homeowners and businesses. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative.